from the chest. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm here with my good buddy Larry. We got Daisy here, our 77 F150, and we're gonna be doing a lift on it. We have our two-wheel drive twin I-beam lift kit, fully fabricated. Just got it back from powder coat. This is gonna be just kind of like a level 1 or a stage 1 kit with the coil springs. We got some 32s that are gonna go on it. So we're gonna get to work. All right, so here we have all the stock components. Most of everything gets replaced. On the fabricated pieces, we just end up using this end for the beams, but fully new fabricated beams, new drop brackets. What's nice about this kit is it kind of picks up most of all the factory pickup points. You get to keep disc brakes, spindles, wheel and tire combo, things like that. You're obviously going to get new radius arms. Those are also going to get relocated a little further back to give you better geometry. New steering arms. Broke the window again. All right, as Larry would say, we got all the stock junk out. So radius arms are off, beams are off. As you can see, I started taking out, I got the factory radius arm bracket off. Now we're gonna take off the beam brackets over here. Got some more rivets to cut out. Another set of beam brackets on the other side and the other radius arm brackets. Those are gonna get relocated. So some new ones a little bit further back. A little extended, and then those will be dropped down and we'll rock and roll. All right, so we got our stock brackets off, as you can see here. Need a little persuasion getting some of these rivets out, but as you can see, we have our new drop bracket here, and then as well as the radius arm bracket. You can see it gets relocated a little bit further back for the correct geometry. Starting on our steering. So there is some drilling required. This bracket does pick up this factory hole, and I believe these two over here. So there's a couple more that you got to drill out around there, and then this one picks up one right underneath here. So there's a few more that you need to get drilled out and situated. But so brackets, everything's cleaned up. Brackets are on. Let's go ahead and assemble our radius arms and beams. there you have it. She is sitting on her own weight. Pretty dope lift. Picks up pretty good. Still got some fine tuning to do, but I roll this thing outside. You guys get a better look at it. But yeah, hard to tell. We'll roll it outside and get a good shot. That's that pre-runner shit, man. What do you think, Larry?
I think it looks great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice little two-wheel drive lift. Yeah. Picks it up.
Definitely changes the attitude of this truck. Absolutely,
man. Nice beefy beams down here. So it looks really cool, looks really good. Awesome. Let's roll this thing outside and get a better look. Oh man, check this thing out. That totally changes the attitude of this thing, man. Look at that. Wow, that thing came out dope. I'm super pumped for this, man. This is sweet. And look, we got another pre-runner friend. Got ourselves a Ram 2500 heavy duty, a little pre-runner vibe going on. We're gonna be building some inner fenders for them. So stay tuned for that, man. This truck's gonna be dope. I'm excited for this, but yeah, this thing came out super sick. Still got to finalize a lot of things. I think it's a little too raked in the back, so we're probably going to pick the back up a little bit. But you can just check out the suspension. Still got to finalize the steering. And that side, I think it needs a little bit of adjustment on the alignment, but you can kind of get the overall vibe really quick. Just want to show you. Look at that. That's freaking sweet. So stay tuned for more.